What if the key to making money as a coach wasn't doing more, but was actually doing less? So many heart led women hold back because they doubt themselves, because they feel unqualified, or fear that they're not going to make money doing what they love. The truth is, your struggles are your sacred stepping stones. When you trust your intuition, when you learn to simplify and allow yourself to receive, you can prosper as a coach with ease and with confidence. That is exactly what I'll be showing you in my free workshop, The Prosperous Coach: How to Make Money Doing Less and Coaching with Confidence. You're going to learn how to shift from self doubt to soul trust. You're going to learn the number one skill that every prosperous coach needs and discover how to make money doing less. Seats are free, but they are limited. So make sure you register and say yes to becoming a prosperous coach.